Hey Fempreneurs, just coming at you here from the Maxwell Arena. Just about to go into my son's hockey game. Check out the view from my super buggy windshields. Anywho, I just wanted to pop on here and have a little chat with y'all about knowledge, gaining knowledge. There's a ton of online courses out there right now. And I know for me, there was always a gap between gaining knowledge, learning new things, and then actually implementing those things. And a little plug for YYC Fempreneur Marketing School. It is the combination of learning and implementing. And the trick, the key, the different feature that we have in Fempreneur Marketing School than all these online courses you're seeing is we're a live group going through the material together, learning and implementing together, holding one another accountable, cheering one another on, actually showing up on social media, and then having our team show up there too to like and comment and share the stuff that we're doing. So if you need not only some new knowledge, but also the accountability and the cheerleaders to help you implement it, today is the last day you can register for the fall class of Fempreneur Marketing School. So go to yycfempreneurs.com. We're just looking for a couple more girls. I do partner everyone up. And if you don't know who I am and you're brand new here to the Fempreneur Marketing channel on Instagram, my name is Lyndsie Barrie. I'm an author. I've wrote a couple books for women, one about personal finance and one about finding your voice on social media. That's actually what the book is called, Find Your Voice on Social Media. I'm a marketing and financial coach, and I do a lot of work with women who have businesses. So this marketing school that I've created has been around since early 2019, so over a year and a half. And in July, we had our 100th woman complete the program. So we have over 100 grads from Fempreneur Marketing School, something I'm super proud of, and I would love to help you find your voice on social media, gain some new marketing knowledge that you can use here on Instagram and actually do the work, take the action, convert your social media followers into paying clients. So if that's something you need, go to yycfempreneurs.com, and I hope to see you real soon.